Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about BounceBit airdrop guys. So currently this project is ongoing. We'll be able to earn points. Okay, so currently you can see I'll be able to climb this point because I've already participated here and I'm earning everyday points. Okay, so here you can see I got some 11 points. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can interact with this platform, and this particular platform is backed by the best projects. So one of the project called Blockchain Capital. So these are the lead investors, and here you can see OKX ventures are there, and HTX ventures are there, and MEXC ventures are there. Okay, so this particular project actually will be able to earn yields, okay, from restaking BTC and all. And mainly this project have raised $6 million in the seed round. Okay, and not only that guys, almost literally $600 million have locked here, okay, in the TVL. So if you want to get to know further details about it, you can go and check their wallet and all. Here if you go here, you can see the asset holding wallets will be there. So pretty much this project is having a decent backing, and their TVL is also 600 million above, so it's a good thing. Okay, so in this video I'll show you guys how you can get your hand on this airdrop. So before we start our video, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys, and click the all button and like this video and continue watching it guys. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sense information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. And recent video you can see this io.net airdrop, which is free of cost. You can try this one and get it. If you do not want to miss this kind of time sense information and all, make sure to follow me inside my Telegram channel guys. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'll be leaving this link in the description guys. Just click on that. You need a code. Okay, so without code you will not be able to enter here. This is actually early access thing, and so if you don't have the code, no, so just click on the link. It will take you here. Here you can see the code. Okay, so WZPSD. So just click on enter invite code, and once you click on that, it will open up like this. Okay, and here the first thing we need to we enter the invite code, and the next thing we need to connect our wallet. Okay, so just click on the connect wallet and choose the MetaMask, and then MetaMask will pop up, and just click on the next and click on connect, and then your MetaMask will be connected here. Okay, so here you can see your MetaMask got connected, and then here you can see follow the BounceBit on the Twitter. So this is the next task. Just click on connect Twitter, and then your Twitter account will open. Here we need to log in and connect here. Okay, so give authorize, then your Twitter account will get connected, and then you need to click on connect Discord, and then it will take you to their Discord account. There also go inside, join their Discord, and then come back here. Okay, so guys, once you join their Discord and the Twitter account, no, so it will open up like this. So guys, this airdrop is investment based airdrop guys. So if you want to do any sorts of investment, do at your own risk, because I'm always saying this in my all videos. So whenever there is an investment based airdrop or wherever we are doing investment, no, so you got to do it at your own risk. Okay, so once it got open, no, so here you can see we can actually deposit in BNB chain, which is good because in BNB chain we don't need to pay a lot of gas fees and all. And here you can see withdraw. So before you invest, no, so before you invest or before you deposit, no, you should know this withdrawals will be activated around the launch of BounceBit in May 2024. Okay, so until then we will not be able to get back our money. So know this before your investment. Until May, if you are ready to hold your asset inside this platform, you can go for this one. So here I'm going to deposit in BNB chain, and just choose the BNB chain, and then we can deposit here BTCB or else FDUSD. If you want to go with stablecoin, you can go with this one, or else if you are already holding BTC for long term, no, so everybody knows BTC is gonna break its all-time high and it's gonna keep new all-time high. So if you want to hold BTC, you can just purchase BTC and hold it here. But here you can see BTCB. So I'll show you how you can get your BTCB from so your Binance account. Okay, so the thing is I've already deposited in stablecoin. Okay, so guys, the minimum investment starts from $100. Okay, so below $100 if you have, you cannot try this one. So what we need to do is I'm going to invest in FDUSD. So we need to go to Binance account and purchase this FDUSD from Binance. Easily you can buy. So once you bought this one, and try to send this FDUSD to your normal wallet. Okay, so just copy your wallet and send from Binance to here. So guys, I'm going to go with the FDUSD since I've already done this process. I've already recorded it here. So here you can see I purchased $100 worth of FDUSD from Binance, and I've sent it from Binance to in my wallet. So after I received to date, what we have to do is we need to have some balance in BNB chain also. Okay, so have some balance in your BNB chain, and then only we'll be able to process this one, because we need BNB for gas fee. And then select FDUSD, and here you can see I'm having balance of $100 worth of FDUSDC. So FDUSD. Okay, so just type the amounts. We cannot exactly type the $100. Okay, so we need to type 100.2. okay, because here we need to pay some gas fee and all, no. So for that reason, so just click on approve, then MetaMask will pop up, and then we need to click on the maximum, and then just scroll down and click on next and click on approve. So once you click on approve, it will get approved. Okay, and then again MetaMask will pop up, and here you can see we need to pay the gas fee in 0.12 cent in BNB. So just click on continue. So and then your transaction will get successfully deposited. Okay, so once you deposit, no, on top you can see points paradise. Okay, so if you click on that, it will take you here, and here you will be able to see the timings will be running. Okay, so every 24 hours we'll be able to climb the points here, and here you can see so far I'm having only 26 points only, and we'll be able to earn points every 24 hours. We can just come here and click on climb. So whenever you are clicking climb, we'll be able to climb the points. So that's how it works. For example, I'll show you after 24 hours I've recorded how we'll be able to climb the points. Okay, so here you can see our balance got added in the FDUSDC, and then after 24 hours if you just click on the claim button, here you can see your points will start generate like this. Okay, so like this only your points will load here, and then once you click on OK, your points will get added in your account on top like this. Okay, on top here you can see, here you can see it will get added here. So every 24 hours we'll be able to earn these points, and these points will be converted into the airdrop token in the future. Okay, when they'll be launching their token. And apart from that, in the backpack I'm not having anything, and here you can invite your friends and family members inside this platform, so that you'll be able to earn 10% extra points. And here you can go through the details about how invite works, how does the team work plays, and boost cards and everything. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to tell you here is, if you want to see here, I just invested in FDUSD so that my balance will be in the stable coin, but I'm regretting why I didn't go with BTC. The reason is, taking 0.1 BTCB on BounceBit will unlock the premium feature offering yield generation via delta neutral thing. So basically, if we would have gone with BTCB and staking around 0.1 BTC in the BounceBit, no, we'll be able to earn 3x BounceBit points. Okay, so currently if I'm earning 1 points, and into 3 means like 3 points. Okay, so 3x points will be able to earn if you would have just invested in 0.1 BTCB. So now you'll be having the doubt, what is this BTCB, how I can get it? It's very simple. All we have to do is go to your Binance account and buy BTC, and we have to send BTC in the chain of BEP20. Okay, so just copy your wallet address, and go back there to your Binance account, and there you need to paste the address, and then you need to choose this network as BSC. Okay, BNB Smart Chain BEP20 network. In that network only you need to send. Okay, so once you click on send, we'll be able to receive the balance in BTCB form. Okay, so just go inside Binance and do that, in case if you want to stake in BTC. Okay, so BTCB, so you just need to buy BTC from Binance and send in BNB network chain, then we'll be able to deposit in BTCB chain. And if you are depositing 0.1 BTCB, no, so you will be able to get 3x multiplier, so which is cool. We'll be able to have more points here. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. And literally here you can see, so far we are having only 22k people only are there, and here you can see the total value logged is literally $607 million have logged so far. So this could be a huge project in the coming future. Okay, and well-known names have invested in this project. If you go here, you'll be able to see, so Blockchain Capital is one of the major lead investors, and here you can see well-known name called OKX, like I already told you. And if you want to know their roadmap, and currently we are in the testnet launch, and then April mainnet launch will be there. In the May month we'll be able to know what they're going to do, because in the May month only, if you want to withdraw your balance, we'll be able to do in the May month only. So if you are ready to hold until that period of time, do invest here guys. And always if you want to invest any money anywhere, no, do at your own risk, because just because I'm telling, or just because anybody is saying you should not do it, you gotta do it with your own will and take responsibility for that. Okay, so pretty much that's it guys in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.